Hey, what's going on, guys? Brian with RipperZ over here at the RipperZ headquarters as always with my buddy Dyna. She's about 5 pounds now. We've been feeding her so much, doing a lot of really cool live feedings on Instagram, so make sure you guys go check that out. We're actually going to start doing some live feedings here as well on YouTube, which we're very excited for, and we're probably going to start working on that probably the next couple days or so. Before we jump into this next video, which is sick by the way, check out a couple of our product lines. So this is our Bass Dynasty product line. We make Bass Dynasty attractants, which is a very, very sticky attractant. Sticks onto all of your lures. There is a coupon code below for that, which is really good. There was actually a 17-pound bass, largemouth bass, caught on them by Oliver and I of Big Bass Streams. And also, this is our second brand. This is Lip Rippers for trout fishing, and this in particular is called Hatchery Dust. And there's also a coupon code below, so you can check that out. Works really good for any type of stock trout. So if you're a stock trout fisherman, highly recommend this stuff. Just put it on your dough bait. Works awesome. All right, guys, so let's jump right into the video.